Did you know that one simple move can reshape your body, improve flexibility, and even boost your metabolism? And no, I'm not talking about an intense workout. I'm talking about resting squats. Yes, just sitting in this natural squat position could be the secret to transforming your body. No equipment, no heavy lifting required. Stick around to learn how something this simple can bring you life-changing benefits. But first, if you're interested in more tips on effortless ways to improve your health, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Alright, let's dive into it. You might wonder, why would sitting in a squat do anything for my body? Well, in cultures where people regularly rest in squats, they're less likely to experience joint issues and stiffness as they age. Think about it. How often do you find yourself bending, sitting, or reaching throughout the day? Resting squats can help keep your joints ready and mobile for all those daily activities. Benefit number 1, enhanced mobility and flexibility. First up, let's talk about flexibility. Resting in a squat keeps your hips, knees, and ankles in motion, preventing stiffness. This move helps open up your hip flexors, something that gets tight from sitting in chairs all day. Imagine being able to squat down, pick up something, or stretch without discomfort or creaking joints. All thanks to the habit of resting in a squat. Benefit number 2, core and lower body strength. Next, core and leg strength. When you're in a squat, your core and lower body muscles are still engaged, even though you're not actively lifting weights. This engagement builds a surprising level of strength over time, all without putting stress on your joints. Plus, you're naturally working on your balance, which improves posture and stability, key elements for staying fit and active. Benefit number 3, improved circulation and digestion. And here's something most people don't realize. Resting squats are great for digestion and circulation. By regularly dropping into a squat, you're helping blood flow through your lower body, relieving tension and boosting circulation. This also benefits digestion by gently compressing the abdominal area. In some cultures, people even squat to eat or rest because it keeps their digestion smooth. So, what if you tried this yourself? Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day, holding a resting squat while you read or scroll through your phone. You might be surprised at how much better your body feels in a week or two. Comment below if you're going to give it a try and let us know your results. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple but powerful ways to improve your fitness and well-being. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger, more flexible you.